Lovely day, everybody. We have made it to Nugget Point. Nugget Point, where they have this lighthouse here in the Catlins. I've been calling it the Catlins this whole time, but it's the Catlins. Yeah, we're gonna go check out this lighthouse. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at once I'm actually looking at something. For now, I got a short hike to get to it. Just wanted to show you guys some of the view that I have. Got those cool caves down there. Ooh, look at that! This weather is really bad. Climbed up some little hill. Wouldn't call it so little, but climbed up this hill to get this view. Kind of went off track there. Beautiful up here. I'm gonna take some pictures and some video. Yeah, with the way the weather is, I don't think I'm gonna get any drone footage. I don't know if you can see this on this video. There's rain heading right towards us in that direction. This is going to be interesting. And it's a heavy pour of rain too. That's rain, huh? I'm watching the rain come this way.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, about to get wet.
Yeah.
About to get real wet. Alright guys, that giant rain cloud is almost at me. Pretty much looks like a tornado in the water. I don't know. Oh man, I keep blurring it. I'm on like Portrait Road or something. But I'm getting the hell out of here before that thing gets to me. And the camera. And my drone. And I got a very, very, very short drone video here. I took it as soon as there weren't too many people around so that nobody would be bugged by it. But, hi. There's some people heading towards the rain. They have no idea. There's a giant rainbow over there too. But it's freezing. It's raining really. Well, it's not raining too bad right now. It's a good drizzle, I would say. But getting the hell out of here before I get really wet. It's hailing! It's hailing in New Zealand! It's hailing! Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at the ground. Look at my jacket. There's hail all over me. It's hailing! Hailing in New Zealand. I'm running to my car. He caught up to me. Alright guys, I need this. Oh! Oh! Ow! Ow, alright, bye. Well, I've finally been able to get up close to a cow.
He's minding his own business.
I
You're stupid.
don't think he likes it.
He's
Oh,
peeing.
he's peeing.
You're freaking him out. Come on, let's go.
He's peeing. Bye, cow. Talk to you later. See you, brother.
You make me